Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a really easy 4-ingredient pesto pasta salad using just these 4 ingredients, and as always I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have this recipe as well as loads of variations. So you can start with just the basic 4 ingredients, and then there's loads of ideas for loads of adaptations and ways to enjoy this simple salad. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this recipe a try. So today I am going out a little bit later to take my kids swimming. Yes, I'm swimming too with them. So I want a meal to come home to which will just be fast and easy and ready to go. So this morning I am making this pasta salad, and when we come home lunch will be ready to go and it'll just be so good. So I'm going to cook up pasta along with some broccoli as well for extra nutrition. I have got this vegan pesto. If you're vegan vegetarian, just make sure it's vegan vegetarian friendly, otherwise use any pesto you like. And if you want, you can use any pasta, of course. I've got this red lentil fusilli which is gluten free, it's high in protein, it's just so good and I like to use it. And I'm using goat's cheese, but if you want it to be vegan you can just skip the goat's cheese and use whatever vegan friendly cheese you have to hand or nutritional yeast if you want instead. Or you could just really use any cheese if you're happy to include dairy, whatever you like. So I'm going to get started by boiling up my kettle, getting some water bubbling, and then cooking up my pasta and broccoli. While the water's been coming up to bubble, it's almost there. I've just chopped up the whole head of broccoli. I've decided I'm just going to use the whole head. I was going to use some, but I'd rather it be almost 50-50 pasta and broccoli, so it's just super healthy. And yeah, this is the pasta I've chosen. It's gluten-free, so it's a gluten-free pasta salad, but you really can use any pasta you want. And if you want it to be low carb, you know, just skip the pasta and just boil up the broccoli and have it with pesto and goat's cheese as I'm showing. There's just really so many ways to enjoy a pesto pasta-ish salad. So yep, as the water comes up to the boil, I'm going to cook the pasta and the broccoli all together in the pot. Water's bubbling away. I added in the pasta and the broccoli. I'm going to stir it all through, bring it back up to a simmer. My package says cook for 8 minutes, by which time I'm sure the broccoli will be cooked too. I'm just going to taste it, and once the pasta's cooked to my liking, once it's done to your liking, drain it, rinse it, and we'll cool it down. And once it's cooled, then we'll add the pesto, which I'll show you next. Okay, so my pasta's cooked, broccoli's cooked. I've cooled it and drained it, and I've popped it into a dish I'm going to pop into the fridge in a little bit. And so now we'll add in the pesto. Going to need a smaller spoon to get into the jar. We'll add most of the jar, give it a stir through and see if I need to use the whole jar or just most of it. So we'll just stir it all through gently, try not to break up the broccoli or the pasta until all the pesto is distributed in every single biteful. Now I'm definitely going to be using the whole jar full of pesto, so we'll just add the rest in. Okay, so we'll just mix it all through until it's all distributed around. It smells so good. I love pesto. You can definitely use homemade pesto if you don't want to buy jarred pesto. I shared a recipe for that recently too. And the pesto is beautifully distributed amongst my salad. And now I'm just going to add my goat's cheese, just scatter it around. For extra protein, you could also add some chickpeas or lentils, or as I said, add some nutritional yeast as well. I just like mine like this, scattered with the goat's cheese. Doesn't it look incredible? And it's just the perfect salad, the perfect meal to come home to when you just know you're going to have a busy time, and when you come home there's just going to be no time for cooking, and it's a meal that the whole family will just adore. And we've got the whole dish here. It's going to be in the fridge. This is perfect for summer coming up if you're thinking of some dishes to make, so that when you go out and about for summer's day and to come home and to have a dish ready and waiting that's just nutritious and balanced, loads of veggies in there. You can choose whatever carb you want, whichever pasta you'd like to include. But yeah, as I said, I've got the link to the blog post down below, which will have loads of ideas for flavor adaptations, for ways to make this pesto pasta salad your own. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this pesto pasta salad a try. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.